What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today's video, technically, we're not going to be working on the E30. Instead, we're going to be working on the engine for the E30, the new S50 that's going to be going in there. If you guys don't know, I went ahead and took out the original M20 engine that was in the E30 to begin with, and I'm going to be swapping it with an S50 from a 95 E36 M3 that I've been having as a parts car. It's just been sitting there this whole time, so it's basically just being used as a donor car for this E30 project. I know a lot of people in the comments are probably gonna be like, oh, that's not an S50, that's an M50, just because of this beauty cover. But honestly, even my last E36 M3 had that same beauty cover on there, because the original S50 ones are really expensive and people just like throwing on these freaking 325 covers. I don't know if they lose the S50 covers or they sell them or something like that, but either way, it's an S50 and it's going to be going into the E30. And the approach I'm going to be taking in this video is I'm basically going to be tearing the entire engine down, like little by little, basically almost like step by step. I'm going to try to make it like a satisfying type of video where it's just all getting torn down. So hopefully you guys enjoy that. Hopefully it comes out good. I don't even know if it's going to come out good yet. I guess we'll find out, huh? But before I begin, obviously got to grab myself a watermelon Red Bull. Unfortunately, it's the 8-ounce one. It's not the 12-ounce. And also, a quick word from our sponsor. What's up, guys? I just wanted to give a huge shout out to the sponsor of today's video, and that is Simply Carbon Fiber. So if you guys don't know what Simply Carbon Fiber is, it's all in their name. They make a bunch of awesome carbon fiber products, such as these glasses that I'm wearing right here. These are honestly my favorite ones from their website, but they offer a variety of things besides glasses. They offer cool little accessories like keychains, phone cases, wallets, all kinds of cool stuff. I actually have a phone case by them, which is right here. I've been rocking it on my phone. The phone case is actually the forged carbon fiber one, as you can tell. You could either get it in the normal carbon fiber weave or this forged carbon fiber, but I think this forged one is my favorite thus far. But yeah, summer is coming up. You're definitely gonna need a new pair of glasses. Don't go with those unoriginal Ray-Bans that everyone wears. Go with something cooler like this. Got the carbon fiber weave on the side, as you guys can tell. So set yourself apart from others. Go to the link below down in the description. Use my code TOT10. It'll save you 10% at checkout, and just cop yourself some cool things. So without further ado, huge shout out to Simply Carbon Fiber for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get back to the video. Hope you guys enjoyed that little ad segment, guys. So we're basically just taking a little break from the engine bay work on the E30, and we're gonna be tearing apart this engine. So without further ado, let me get to work. Yeah. Alright guys, that's gonna bring us to the end of this video. Some of you are probably wondering why I didn't get the crankshaft off of the block itself, and that's because I actually have to take it off this engine stand in order to take this rear main seal piece off and then get the crankshaft off. But honestly, I didn't feel like doing all that because then I have to get like an engine hoist to take it off the stand, and that would have been doing too much. I can go ahead and do that off camera. I also didn't take off the valves and valve springs from the head, but I will also be doing that off camera as well. That's a pretty tedious process, and I really don't feel like getting to that on camera. It would have took way too long. But yeah, other than that, I got everything else completely off of the engine. The entire engine is basically sitting inside this little bin right here. Every single little part and bolt and stuff like that is in here, and everything is also labeled inside Ziplocs. That way it's easier to put things together later on. But yeah, like I said, that brings us to the end of this video. Let me know if you guys enjoyed it. Also, let me know in the comments below if I should do this when reassembling the engine. So without further ado, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Make sure to hit that like button, because that like button makes the biggest difference in the world. That helps with the YouTube algorithm. So make sure you guys do that. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.